Let's talk about AI. It's a term we hear often, but what does it really mean for you and me? AI is a tool that's quickly becoming essential in our daily lives. It's transforming how we work, learn, and even how we interact with the world around us. Think of AI as a super smart assistant for your brain, a digital companion that can augment your abilities and help you achieve more. It's there, ready to assist you in writing compelling content, create stunning visuals, and solve complex problems faster than ever before. It's important to remember that it's not about replacing people. AI is not here to take over. It's about giving us a productivity boost, amplifying our skills, and freeing us from tedious tasks. For students who are constantly juggling assignments and research, it means help with homework, efficiently summarizing extensive research papers, or even brainstorming ideas for that next big project. For professionals across all industries, it automates repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and boosting overall efficiency. This allows you to focus on what truly matters: strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and making impactful decisions. Learning to use AI is now as important as learning to use a computer. It's a fundamental skill for navigating the modern world. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to harness the power of AI. Modern AI tools are designed to be simple and intuitive, putting advanced capabilities at your fingertips without requiring complex coding or technical knowledge. We're at a pivotal moment where AI is being seamlessly integrated into tools for everything, touching nearly every aspect of our lives. From effortlessly planning complex trips to writing comprehensive business plans with ease, and even accelerating the process of learning new languages. The challenge now lies in finding the right tool that aligns perfectly with your specific needs and goals. Today we're diving into Magistral, a platform designed to help you navigate this new landscape. Magistral is a tool that aims to make AI genuinely useful and accessible for your everyday work, transforming the way you approach tasks and projects. Imagine having a digital workspace that's always ready to help, providing intelligent assistance whenever you need it. A workspace that adapts to your needs no matter what you're working on, offering the right tools and insights at the right time. Magistral is about making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. It's about providing practical, real-world applications, and ensuring that the technology is incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to AI. It's your new superpower for handling information overload, helping you stay organized, efficient, and productive in today's fast-paced world. Ready to see how it works and unlock your own AI-powered potential? Let's get started and explore the possibilities. So, what is Magistral? It's an AI-powered productivity platform, a digital workspace with a built-in genius. Magistral combines note-taking, project management, and content generation in one place. It's like a Swiss Army knife for anyone who works with information. Students, writers, managers, or anyone juggling tasks. The magic is in how AI is woven into everything. You can ask for help, rephrase, or expand ideas right as you work. No more switching between apps. Magistral keeps everything in one organized, intelligent space. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency, so you can focus on your work, not the tool. Whether you're planning a trip, writing an essay, or managing a project, Magistral streamlines your workflow. It's about making you smarter and faster at what you already do. Let's see how easy it is to get started. Getting started with Magistral. It's a seamless experience designed to get you up and running in no time. We understand that your time is valuable, and that's why we've made the initial setup as straightforward as possible. Is quick and painless. You'll find the interface intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your work. Head to the Magistral website and sign up. The process is incredibly simple. Google, Apple, or email, your choice. We offer multiple convenient options to suit your preferences. The onboarding is short. We've trimmed the fat to get you straight to the core functionalities. Just a couple of questions to tailor your experience. This ensures that Magistral is perfectly aligned with your specific needs and workflow from the very beginning. In under a minute, you'll land on a clean dashboard, a testament to our commitment to simplicity and efficiency. Your command center. From here you have complete control over your projects and workflows. Create your first space. Think of it as a folder for a project or subject. It's where you'll organize all your related notes, documents, and resources. Name it like My First Project and you're ready to go. The possibilities are endless. Inside, create a new note or document. Let's call it Brainstorming Session. This is where the magic begins. Type a prompt, like ideas for a marketing campaign. This will be the starting point for our AI-powered brainstorming. Highlight your text, and the AI menu pops up, offering a range of intelligent options. Choose Brainstorm Ideas. It's as simple as a single click. Instantly, Magistral generates a list of creative ideas right in your document. No need to switch between applications or copy and paste. You've just used AI to jumpstart your project. See how easy that was? No complicated setup, no steep learning curve. Magistral is designed for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Magistral is designed to get out of your way and help you work smarter from the start. It's about enhancing your productivity, not hindering it. That's your first 5 minutes. Simple, powerful, and productive. A glimpse into the potential of Magistral. Now, let's explore what else it can do. The journey has just begun. Magistral's real power is in its features. The intelligent editor is your AI-powered writing partner. Fix grammar, change tone, translate, or expand ideas with a click. Integrated task management means your notes and to-dos live together. Turn meeting notes into actionable tasks instantly. AI-powered templates help you start faster, blog posts, project plans, press releases, and more, all with smart prompts and draft content. The Knowledge Hub indexes everything you create, making it searchable and easy to query in plain language. Ask, what were last week's key decisions? And the AI finds and summarizes the answer from your notes. Magistral turns your workspace into a personal, searchable database. No more digital clutter or endless app switching. Everything you need is in one place, powered by AI. It's about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're writing, planning, or organizing, Magistral adapts to your workflow. The result? Less busy work, more focus. Let's see how this plays out in real life. Let's dive in and see Magistral in action, showcasing how it can revolutionize workflows across different scenarios. We're going to explore real-world examples that highlight its versatility and power. Meet Chloe, a university student facing the daunting task of writing a big history essay. The pressure is on, and she needs to deliver a well-researched and compelling piece. She creates a dedicated space within Magistral, a digital haven designed to keep all her research and writing tools in one place. Chloe saves relevant articles, academic papers, and online resources directly into her Magistral space, ensuring everything is easily accessible. She then leverages Magistral's AI capabilities to summarize key points from these dense texts, saving valuable time and effort. With a pre-built essay template available within Magistral, she efficiently outlines her arguments, structuring her essay for maximum impact. Chloe also uses AI to refine and rephrase her thesis statement, ensuring it's clear, concise, and effectively captures the essence of her argument. Furthermore, she can expand her initial bullet points into well-developed paragraphs with the help of Magistral's AI writing assistant, fleshing out her ideas with ease. The AI acts as a powerful ally, helping her overcome writer's block, maintain a consistent tone, and keep her research meticulously organized. Ultimately, she's still doing the critical thinking and analysis, but Magistral empowers her to do it faster, more efficiently, and with greater confidence. Now let's shift gears and meet Ben, a marketing manager who's spearheading the launch of an exciting new product. He initiates a dedicated product launch space within Magistral, creating a central hub for all aspects of the campaign. Ben leverages a project timeline template to meticulously outline the various phases of the product launch, ensuring a structured and organized approach. He also uses Magistral as a dynamic, live whiteboard during team meetings, facilitating brainstorming sessions and collaborative planning in real time. The AI intelligently categorizes the influx of ideas generated during these sessions, helping the team identify key themes and prioritize action items. Magistral assists in drafting a compelling press release, ensuring the product launch receives the attention it deserves, and crucially, it helps Ben efficiently assign tasks to team members, ensuring accountability and smooth workflow. Everything is managed seamlessly within this all-in-one hub, providing a comprehensive overview of the entire product launch process. Ben then refines the AI's initial draft of the press release, adding key quotes and ensuring it aligns perfectly with the brand's voice. He manages the entirety of the marketing campaign directly from Magistral, tracking progress, monitoring performance, and making data-driven adjustments as needed. Both Chloe and Ben exemplify how Magistral can streamline workflows across diverse fields, from academic research to product marketing. They both save valuable time, stay impeccably organized, and achieve their goals with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Magistral isn't about replacing human effort. It's not about doing the work you, It's about augmenting your capabilities, empowering you to be more effective, and unlocking your full potential. Whether you're a student striving for academic excellence or a seasoned professional driving business growth, Magistral seamlessly adapts to your unique needs and workflow. It's about achieving real, tangible productivity gains, all powered by the intelligent assistance of AI. And that's the key difference. Magistral empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Now, with a solid understanding of Magistral's core capabilities, let's explore how you can unlock even more value and get even more out of this powerful platform. Want to level up? Here are some tips. Be specific with your instructions. Tell the AI exactly what you want, and you'll get better results. Use and customize templates for your workflow. Save time and keep things consistent. Learn keyboard shortcuts to speed up your work. Check the help section for a guide. Don't just create, organize. Tag and store articles, ideas, and notes to build a searchable knowledge base. Magistral's real value is as your second brain. Use it to capture and connect information for the long term. The more you use it, the smarter and more helpful it becomes. Build habits around it, and you'll see your productivity soar. Don't just use Magistral for today's tasks. Use it to build a resource for your future self. That's how you unlock its full potential. Ready for the final verdict? So, is Magistral worth it? Absolutely. It's not about being the most powerful AI, it's about making your daily work easier and more organized. Magistral's strength is seamless integration. Notes, tasks, and AI all in one place. No more juggling apps or losing focus. It's perfect for students, writers, managers, and freelancers who want to work smarter, not harder. The free tier lets you try it risk-free. Jump in, create a project, and see how it fits your workflow. Magistral gives you more time and mental space for what matters most. In a world full of distractions, that's a real superpower. Try it out and see how AI can transform your productivity. Thanks for watching. Now go make your workday smarter.